For Hilliard homeowners, comfort and safety are top priorities. Whether you live in a quiet residential area or near busier roads and community hubs, the quality of your home's doors plays a significant role in how safe, peaceful, and efficient your living environment feels. Modern door upgrades offer major improvements in both soundproofing and security, making them one of the smartest home investments for families looking to enhance everyday comfort. If you're considering upgrading the doors in your home, here's how new, high-quality doors can make a noticeable difference. Superior soundproofing for a more peaceful home noise control has become increasingly important as Hilliard continues to grow. From traffic and lawn equipment to neighborhood activity, unwanted noise can easily disrupt your relaxation or focus, especially if you work from home. Upgraded doors offer enhanced soundproofing through features such as solid core construction that blocks sound vibrations, thicker, multi-layered materials designed for noise reduction, tight-fitting frames that seal out outdoor noise, high-quality weather stripping that prevents sound leaks. Unlike older hollow core doors, modern designs create a strong barrier that significantly reduces the noise entering your home. This is especially beneficial for bedrooms, offices, or living spaces where quiet matters most. Higher security for better protection. Security is a top concern for homeowners everywhere, and Hilliard is no exception. Upgrading your doors can greatly increase your home's protection against break-ins and forced entry attempts. Modern secure doors often include reinforced frames that resist bending and impact, steel or fiberglass panels that provide superior strength, multi-point locking systems for tighter security, impact-resistant glass for partial glass doors, advanced smart locks for keyless, trackable entry. These features create a strong first line of defense, giving you and your family greater peace of mind. Enhanced energy efficiency that keeps your home comfortable. Soundproof and secure doors also contribute to better energy efficiency, something every Hilliard homeowner can appreciate. Older doors often have poor seals, gaps, or thin materials that allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Upgraded doors improve efficiency through insulated cores, tight, professionally sealed frames, high-performance weather stripping, energy-efficient glass inserts, if applicable. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year and reduces energy bills, especially during Ohio's hot summers and chilly winters. Improved curb appeal and home value. Your front door is one of the most noticeable features of your home's exterior. Upgrading to a modern, stylish door instantly enhances curb appeal and makes your home feel more inviting. Today's doors come in a wide range of designs, including sleek modern styles, classic wood look finishes, decorative glass options, craftsman and farmhouse-inspired designs. Not only do these upgrades boost visual appeal, but they also increase your home's resale value. Buyers appreciate homes with modern, secure, and energy-efficient doors, making this improvement a smart long-term investment. Low-maintenance materials built to last. Modern doors are designed to withstand everyday use, weather changes, and moisture without warping or fading. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and composite require very little upkeep while offering long-lasting beauty and durability. This is particularly valuable for busy Hilliard homeowners who want reliable, low-maintenance solutions. A more comfortable and secure living environment. When you combine soundproofing, security, efficiency, and style, upgraded doors provide a noticeable improvement in overall home comfort. Benefits include a quieter indoor environment, more privacy, greater safety for your family, better temperature control, enhanced curb appeal. It's a home improvement that's felt every single day, from the moment you walk through the door. Final thoughts. Upgrading the doors in your Hilliard home is an investment in comfort, security, and long-term value. Whether your goal is to reduce noise, improve safety, or enhance aesthetics, modern doors offer a wide range of features that elevate your home's performance and appeal. If you're ready to enjoy a quieter, safer, and more efficient living space, replacing your old doors with high-quality modern ones is a smart and rewarding decision.